Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Pull up your PNR and read the coach and berth codes so you know what to look for. Once done, verify the reservation chart or live seat map because last-minute changes happen. Make sure to arrive at the platform 20 to 30 minutes early to watch coach placement and avoid rushing. This reduces stress and gives you time to confirm signage. Keep your ticket and an ID in hand. They speed up any verification with staff or the TTE. You now find the coach by matching the coach number on your ticket with the platform signs and coach order displays. This prevents boarding the wrong coach. Then identify berth codes, lower, middle, upper, side lower, and note the berth number pattern so you know where to stand. Once inside, scan the coach diagram or posted berth map and locate the specific compartment or bay. If anything looks unclear, ask the platform staff or a guard for a quick confirmation before settling in. You finish by confirming that the person occupying the berth matches the name on your ticket. If not, request a polite swap and show your ticket and ID. If the situation is not resolved, flag the TTE immediately with your PNR and ID. They can enforce the reservation. Once reassigned, stow luggage and make yourself comfortable. If problems persist after the journey, keep your ticket photos and note TTE details for a complaint. Troubleshooting tip: always escalate to TTE first, not other passengers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.